In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Samsung S24 Ultra to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a standard desktop or even a laptop, you will be able to easily connect your S24 Ultra to them. The primary purpose of doing this is to transfer any files, videos, images that you have on these phones' storage, but of course you can connect it for various other reasons as well. This method will involve or use a USB cable, so we will need a USB cable to get this done. There are other methods like connecting it wirelessly, but for this video I'm going to focus on how to do it with a standard USB cable. So you can use the one that came with your S24 Ultra, and usually it is going to be USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. Regardless of the connection type, all that you have to do is use one end of this cable into the S24 Ultra and another one into your PC or laptop. So you can connect it to any available port. If you have a USB to USB-C cable, then you can use the USB port on your PC or laptop, but if it doesn't have one, then just use an adapter. The main point is that you must establish a physical connection with the cable between the S24 Ultra and your PC. After this is done, you will get this notification on your phone, USB for file transfer. If you swipe down and you tap on this notification, you will see a bunch of settings. So you will be able to change how the USB is controlled. Usually you want to choose this device, and then use USB for transferring files / Android Auto. These other functions can also be applied, for example, transferring images, but as long as you leave it on default, you will be able to access most of the functions. If you need anything in particular, you will be able to choose it here. And then, once you have selected, if you go over to your PC, choose this PC and you look at the connected devices, you will find your S24 Ultra's storage, and you can access all of the files inside. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.